H-1B visas are now worth $100,000. Do you think every Indian student who applies will ask, am I worth rupees 88 lakhs? Kya 88 lakhs? As we speak, it will become 89 lakhs. The fucking dollar is not going down only.
Yeah.
So 88 lakhs are starting price. Sir. So this is like now a chain on the neck of our class of Indians who go to America.
I feel bad for students who are already there.
Yeah, that's the worst.
इंडिया में रहो ना, बस इंस्टा मार्ट है, स्विगी है,
उसका बाप ने क्या क्या किया जाने के लिए 4 साल का वो जो कमाई जो इंडिया में जो जितना भी कमाई करके I mean you put the money together to pass the undergrad or grad or whatever it is. So having said that, investment is already in the kid. Now the kid is supposed to go and do well, and he would if they didn't have this ridiculous thing on his neck.
Yeah, I mean it is.
You talk to Donald Trump, bro.
हाँ?
You call him to Macabo for a meeting.
मैं परसों बुलाने वाला था.
बुलाओ साले को. You tell him, bro. You come and.
काय चालू आहे डोनाल्ड?
Yeah, Doland.
डोनाल्ड.
That is how he's known in India.
हाँ, काय करतोयस?
I have the footage.
Yeah.
Big people are calling him that. Who are we?
Yeah.
I'm out of work comedian, or at least working comedian. See the difference? Actually, so is he.
डोलांड.
Doland.
बट मेरे को ज्यादा विंडिक्टिव लग रहा है, अभी ज्यादा ओवर कर रहा है.
आपको क्या लगता है कि ये सब थोड़ा एक्टिंग है उसमें, then he'll roll it back?
हाँ.
काफी तारीफ को भी roll it back लोग कहते हैं कि and he has rolled a little bit back here and there.
पहले तो उसने बोला था एग्जिस्टिंग लोगों को भी लगने वाला है, फिर उसे रोल बैक करके बोला कि जो लोग अभी नया आ रहा है उसके लिए लगने वाला है. एंड दैट्स अ लॉट बिकॉज बोलना तो नहीं चाहिए, बट उधर के लोगों को.
No, his point is कि we want the Americans to be working in these positions.
उतने एफिशिएंट नहीं है वो लोग.
Forget that. The American companies want the Indians.
Yeah.
So there's a
उनको मालूम है ना कि हमारे लोग
IT, medicine, this kind of, there are 2-3 things where everybody, sorry to say, we have made a very good name.
Yeah.
So now what are you going to do? Comedy में नहीं है, but everything else.
इलॉन मस्क से भी बोला ना कि अभी मैं बताता हूँ तेरे को, दिखा तो तेरे को ले तो आटे आड़ा लेता हूँ मैं.
These were the exact gestures.
इलॉन मस्क रोड, इलॉन मस्क ट्रम्प तेरे को आड़ा लेता हूँ मैं, ऐसा. ट्रम्प मेरे को आड़ा ले ऐसा. But that they deleted.
What I like about him is that he's amongst the worst speech writers for himself. So he doesn't use anybody else. So a lot of repetitive lines. American speechwriters over the past, Abraham Lincoln and Kennedy, huge, great speeches. But he does things where he just repeats like a Maharashtrian uncle. When he's talking, so he says, big problems are coming your way. He used to be a good guy. He was a good guy. He could be a good guy. Now he's not a good guy. It's like, who are you talking to?
वही तो प्रॉब्लम है. मेरे को एक बात बताइए. आपका प्रेसिडेंट WWE में आया है. उसको मार गया WWE में. आप एज अ कंट्री कैसे सीरियसली ले रहे हो आदमी को? मैं सीरियसली ना लूं, आप एज अ कंट्री उसको प्रेसिडेंट बनाए, तो मेरा क्या बोलना है कि प्रश्न चिन्ह एंड क्वेश्चन इज ऑन द सिटीजंस कि कैसे टाइप के.
You get what you deserve.
मतलब थोड़ा ऊपर का माला ऐसा.
What about India? आपका क्या thoughts है?
इंडिया.
चुप.
Very much.
Get democracy, yaar. What is this Macabo thinking, yaar?
Yeah.
हाँ, चलो next.